What is up, boys and girls? So as you can tell from the video title, I put 24x12s and a 3-inch lift. Did it ruin my ride? Did it tear up my truck? The answer is no. I think it made it look badass. So, wanted to do a quick video. Obviously, as you can tell, it is snowing out here, which it doesn't do that in Oklahoma very often. So, figure was fitting. Truck's named Snow. It's snowing. Why not? Let's make a video. So, here it is. Couple quick recap, like you just saw in the title. Lift kit or leveling kit and tires. Did it ruin my ride? And the answer is no. So what I've done: 3-inch MotoFab front spacers, 24x12 -51 offset CaliOff roads with the RBP MT mud tires and the 33s. Far as rub, I do have a little rub on the front. I'm going to end up needing to do a little trimming on that front air dam. I think I'm going to be able to get away with that, having to do any mods to the actual frame. I think we're going to be good, but we're going to try it out, do a little bit as we go. So I'm going to flip it around. We're just going to do a quick walk around, let you see what we've done. Oh, also, I completely blacked out the windows, 5% all the way around with a 35% full front windshield. It is dark and I love it. You know, when it gets hot, it's hot down here in the summer. You need dark, you need it tinted to keep the heat out. So I'm gonna flip it around. It is filthy because it's snowing, roads are muddy and nasty, and them tires, they throw it all up in the air, and I love it. So I'm gonna flip it around, do a quick walk around, and all right, there we go. There she sits. So here is the Cali off-roads, 24x12 with the spike lugs. I will tell you one thing about these tires and wheels: they do not take pictures worth a darn. They do them no justice, but in person they are pretty bad to look at. So I'll do a quick walk around. Put a 3-inch lift or leveling kit on the front, left the rear blocks in it. Does have a little bit of a squat, not a crazy anything. I kind of like the look of it as it is right now. I was thinking about taking the blocks out, but I think I'm going to leave it like it is. We'll kind of walk around to the front so you can get an idea how the stance is on them. And those, for whatever reason, those lights look like they're flashing. They're not flashing. Somebody probably smarter than me knows why, but so right there you can kind of see the offset on that. Go around the other side here. So that is that. You can kind of see the windows blacked out. You can't see in it. Best way to have it. So, all right, guys, that is, like I said, just a quick little video, a little update on what we have going on. I'll do a better one when we clean her up. Weather's a little nicer, we'll do a better walk around and look at it. But that's that for now. You guys take care. Hope everyone had a good Christmas and a Happy New Year. We'll see you on the next one.